this video, we're going to continue looking at the top feed valve, some of the features and the adjustments that can be made on this valve. First, before I take the top off here and show the insides, is what we call our quick stop feature. When this teardrop shape is pointing upwards, like it is now, the impeller is free to turn inside. When you turn it down, an internal rod comes down and stops the impeller. So I'm going to show that to you, and you'll see this little hole down here. When I turn it to the pause position, you can see this little black rod comes out. So unpaused and paused. What that's doing is coming down and your impeller is turning. So that black rod is coming down and stopping your impeller from going further forward. So a lot of times this will be used if your customer is out and they want to have only the heads in the deep end come up so that they don't step on the heads in the shallow end or stub their toes. So that's kind of a little nice feature that we have. Okay, so when these ship, this window will be half open, kind of as you see in this video here. It's kind of counterintuitive, but the more you open this window up, so I'll open up to full blast, now that window is perfectly lined up and wide open. That is going to be the slowest setting for the valve, and I'll explain that to you here in a second. The more you close it, you can close it all the way off like this. That is the fastest the valve will turn. So wide open, slow, fully closed, it's fast. Now the reason for that is this design of this top. Water's coming down in through the top. This is the little housing for that speed control. If the window is open, water is being diverted away from the impeller. So the impeller is down in here, speed control is down here, inlet. That window being open makes water go around the impeller instead of over it. If it's closed, all the water is forced over the impeller, therefore it turns faster. So once again, these two little knobs are how you make that adjustment. And from the factory, and the way that I would recommend starting out is right in the middle. For additional educational videos about A&A products, please visit our website at www.aamfg.com and follow the link to our YouTube page.